Guys, I actually knew that the Gabisile vs Mamzobe story was going to be fire, but I never imagined that it was going to attract so much attention. People who have watched the teasers of Umkhokha will know that this week is a week of Mamzobe vs Gabisile conflicting about his kwam. Kanti, if you haven't watched the teasers, don't worry, just scroll down the channel to find them. So, our little battle started on yesterday's episode when Gabisile recalled all the bad dealings that she had with her mother and remembered that they once used certain bags when attempting to kill Spamandla and bewitch Mabusi into not having children. She then went on to go and look at those bags, which is where she confirmed that those are the bags that Uzoto and everyone has been looking for all this time. But of course, Izobisi was going to catch and threaten her as always. On the scene, Mamzobe is threatening Gabisile not to tell anyone about the bags, and this was at the beginning of the episode. I was so worried that Mamzobe is winning as always, but no, Gabisile showed her flames. Gabigel went to freshen up, took a bath, and went straight to tell Mamzobe to call a family meeting and tell everyone that she's the one who took his kwam. And knowing his obisto, she was not going to do that obviously, which is where Gabisile decided to take matters into her own hands and call the family meeting herself. So, what you are seeing on screen right now, ladies and gentlemen, is Difa, Gabisile, and some of the Mamzobe family members in a meeting that Gabisile called. When Gabisile was about to speak and tell everyone the truth, Mamzobe came in as usual to try and stop Gabisile from talking. She asked Gabisile to come with her to the kitchen, but Gabisile refused. A lot of you guys won't understand, but you know what Gabisile did. In Isizulu, define it as a shame. So, after refusing to go with her to the kitchen, Gabisile told the whole family that is a kwama that they have been looking for all these years with Mamzobe. And after Gabigel spoke, this is how everyone's face is transformed into, including his obisto. Shame, I must say, we're all not ready for that ending, but unfortunately, that is exactly how the episode ended. My worry is, knowing Mamzobe, I'm 100% certain that she'll find a way to escape this. Gabisile telling the whole family about this without proof is risky. I am sure that Mamzobe took those bags and hid them a long time ago so that the family won't find them when they try to look. But anything is possible. So, to find out what is going to happen next, we're going to have to watch the next episode of Umkhokha. And this is the end of this video. Please comment in the comment section and share your thoughts and opinions regarding this topic. And if you enjoyed content in this video, please like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, then share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on TikTok. Thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.